Konnichiwa, watashi wa Alex-san hajimemashite. Hello, my name is Alex and I'm a teacher here at AGOX. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm originally from a town called Exeter in England, but I'm currently living in Norway. I've been travelling to Japan since I was 15. My father lives in Shizuoka and he has an English school there, so I have lots of experience teaching English with students. I'm very passionate about Japan. You have the best food in the world. I started teaching English to Japanese students in 2010 and I've been working in education ever since. I speak some Japanese and I'm also fluent in Norwegian. I've done a lot of my language study online with tutors like myself, which has been really beneficial to me as a student and also as a teacher. It can be really fun and dynamic and a lovely way to get to know people. I'm looking forward to meeting with you. If you'd like to schedule a lesson at AGOX, I'd be happy to say hello.